6 Kia.
As if you're worried about credit. Forget about it. It's a credit approve-a-thon.
If you bring home $350 a week, you could get up to $25,000 in credit. 25 grand. With just one dime down.
Yeah, a dime, not your whole tax return.
New Route 6 Kia, Rios, Sorrentos, Solds, and more. Thousands off MSRP.
It's a crime to pay more than a dime.
One dime down.
At Route 6 Automall Kia.
In Swansea.
Route6automall.com. Route6automall.com.
1665 per thousand borrow plus tax tag liable through various lenders. Example, Cat 1. Qualified buyers ends 2/29/20.
Hi, this is Mike Baird from Mike's Professional Tree Service. One of the important things to know about a tree company when you're hiring them is whether or not they're going to be here when you need them. Mike's Professional Tree Service does not chase storms. Mike's Professional Tree Service stays here when you need them. You call them, you get someone on the phone. A person, not a recording. We show up with our own equipment, state-of-the-art equipment. Our staff in our office is exquisite. You'll speak to Joan, Sharon, Trish, and our salesman, Kevin. Any of the people that you speak to at Mike's Professional Tree Service are kind, friendly, and courteous. Give us a call. We also offer payment plans if it should happen to need that. It's 823-7485. We want you as part of our family.
Use Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Is a Fortune 500 technology executive and was CEO of the first internet radio network. He's a digital political strategist, helping the right side use new technology more effectively. He's a public speaker, sitting in for Rush Limbaugh today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Todd Herman.
It is an incredible honor to fill in for Rush. Rush intends to return to the program tomorrow. The mayor of Reelsville, as he calls himself, is doing what needs to get done. And it's my understanding from the staff that Rush wants the program to be about the program. I know you love Rush. I love Rush. He's well loved. Just one request. When call in on the phones, 800-282-2882. A couple ways to communicate your love. Mega dittos, mega prayers, make it fast, because the boss himself wants us to be about the programming. The President of the United States spoke earlier. The newly vindicated President of the United States had himself a copy of the Washington Post, held that up, and it says the President Trump acquitted. And I wonder now if Nancy Pelosi I understood that she was in a dumpster going through random papers and tearing them up. She can't stop. So I wonder if she's made her way over to the Post yet.